You're growing far more food in far less space, far more efficiently. This is 1/4 acre, and in a year's time, a 200-acre farm might not produce the amount of gross income that comes out of here. It's a fantastic speed at which this stuff grows and ends up on the store shelf, and a new crop is started. Can't do that any other way as efficiently and quickly with the yields. And we were talking one night over a beer about some things we'd like to do, and we both found out we kind of wanted to start a greenhouse project, a hydroponic one.
It's hard to put a number on it, but we produce about, roughly $80,000 worth of produce a month, and we do that 12 months a year.
Hydroponics means working water. It's where the water's actually doing most of the work. It's carrying the nutrients and oxygen and the lifeblood of the plants. It's not new. It's 5,000 years old. The only thing that is new is the technology.
But we're growing stuff that, literally you can pick it and eat it right there. It's not dirty. There's no dirt in here. There's no birds flying over pooping on it. There's no deer coming in and dogs coming in. So it's very protected crops, and it's safe, it's clean. And that's probably one of the biggest advantages to hydroponics. We want our stuff to get to stores at the best quality it possibly can, so we avoid warehouse situations. So we literally are hands-on with our distribution from the time it's planted till it gets to that store shelf. Most of the time when they get basil in, it's one of the biggest problems. They get basil in, it'll last 2 or 3 days. Customers get it home, it spoils the next day. Our basil will last 10 to 12 days easy, and they love that.
We've grown our business basically because of our taste. People had come to know our flavor and our taste, and they just kept buying more and more. Try our product. We're pretty proud of it. It tastes really good. It's made by families or working people, not robots, and it's a year-round product.